Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude AI to Notion so you can manage your notes, databases, and projects more efficiently. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Claude account, and then from this page, you want to click on this plus icon, choose Add Connectors, and on this list, what you want to do is you want to find Notion in the connectors directory and click on it. From here, simply choose Connect, and it'll ask you to log into your account and approve some permissions. This lets Claude view and work with your pages and databases securely. Now, once you're connected, you're basically ready to go. So instead of manually searching through your workspace, you can just ask Claude to do it for you. For example, you can say, find my project notes or summarize this Notion page, and Claude will pull the information instantly. And also, if you ever want to adjust access, just go back to the connector section where you can manage permissions anytime. So yeah, it's quick and simple. Connecting Claude to Notion basically turns your workspace into a smart system where Claude can read, write, and organize everything for you. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!